Welcome to the Drops on LA. So today we're talking about this particular airdrop called the OneFootball Airdrop. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to know and do as regards to this particular airdrop. So we ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support this channel by subscribing to it. You can as well like, share our video as well too, and then remember to follow our community. So this video, I'm moving from one link to another. All the links is going to be there in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then you have access to the main dashboard. Okay, so now let's get into this particular airdrop. Okay, now for introduction, this particular airdrop, OneFootball, they have raised $307 million so far. Is one of the biggest airdrop that we have right now, and this airdrop is also confirmed. Okay, so now for now we have access to this social tax season 2, which we are going to be doing in this particular video. The other ones have been closed, okay, but this one is still accessible for us to partake in. So now for this video, we just rush into it. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide so that you don't miss out on anything. So you ensure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, so just like I said, that this airdrop is one of the biggest airdrop that we have right now, so please you have to participate in this particular one. Okay, so now let's get started with this. Now clicking on the main link, you're going to get to this particular dashboard. So now here, now we have to sign in using our MetaMask wallet. Okay, you can, if you want, you can use other wallet, but for me, I'm making use of MetaMask for this particular airdrop. So I'll just go ahead and then complete the signing in process. Okay, so just watch as I do all those things right now. Okay, all right, so I'm almost done with this. So yeah, ensure you complete all these whole steps. Okay, so now once you're done with this, you're going to get to here. So now next we have to connect our X account. Okay, so we are done with the wallet connection. So now let's connect our X account. So once you click on it, you're going to be taken to your Twitter for it to authorize, and then you're going to be taken back here. Okay, so now we're done with this. So now let's head down and then click on next. So now, so once you sign in, you're going to be given 300 OneFootball token. Okay, so that's what you're going to have, OneFootball points. Okay, so now this is the main dashboard, and we have a lot of tasks to complete here, but we just do the ones that we could do right now. Okay, now for this video, I'll just do mainly mostly the social tags, like following on the Twitter, and then I will do one of the quiz. Okay, so let's do all those, and then at the end we're going to see the points that we were able to accumulate. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So now here we're going to be taken to our social accounts, mainly the Twitter, for us to follow. So once you're done with that, you're going to be taken back here for you to verify. So once you click on verify, then you'll be able to claim the points. Okay, so you just do, like, let's start with this one. So by the end of this, we're going to have 300 points by doing this particular one. So once you click on it, you're going to have access to the main tags. So most of the ones we have here, they're mainly social tags. Okay, so just go to your Twitter, either like, share, or follow, make a post, make a comment, wherever tags you are being asked to do the Twitter. Just go over there, do it, and then come back and then claim your point. Okay, so just like I said, we are going to just do mainly social tags here, and then at the end of it, you see the points that we are able to accumulate just by doing those few tasks that we just we are going to do right now. Okay, so you just watch as I do all those things, right? So this one we're going to retweet. So once I'm done with it, I'll just head back there and then verify and claim my point. Alright, this one is to follow them on Twitter. So all these things, they are quite easy to do, so ensure you do these tasks, alright, and then verify. So far we just have 2,100 points. Okay, so let's just try and do more than once. Okay, mainly Twitter posts. So let's try this quiz. Okay, so now we have so many quiz here. We have up to like 4 quiz for you to do. Okay, so most of them, they are quite easy to do, so just click on the answers, and then at the end of each one you will now be given points. Okay, so if you eventually got these questions, the answers wrong, you can still come back here and then try until you get the right answer before they will be able to give you your points. Okay, so that's what it's all about. So I'll just randomly answer and then try it again. Okay, now I just had just one correct, so I'll just go over to the ones that I'm not familiar with, then click on it and then be able to get the point. So as you can see, I've done those things. So now next we're going to do is just complete other little social ones that we have here. So the main aim of doing these things is to, by the end of this video, I'm able to show you the points that we have accumulated. Okay, so that's the main reason why we are trying to complete the social tags. Okay, so you ensure you watch to the end. So done with this, verify. Okay, head back again. All right, so this one is more of like commenting. Verify. All right, so you like, and then head back and verify. So I just try and rush all these things so we just see the point that we are going to have when we are done with all these things. So the point is still adding up. Okay, all right, so we're almost done with this. So now we have few social tags to do. Okay, verify. All right, so now we are done with the social tags, except the ones that are left now is just this the quiz you can just try on your own. So it's very easy to do, just try until you get the answers. Okay, so now next we have here is the daily check-in. Okay, so this one is one we're going to be doing daily. So just come back here and then click on let's go and then claim the daily points. Okay, so every single day you have to come back here and then claim these points. Okay, so that's for daily ones. So now this is the point that we now have now. So you can see just by doing the simple tag. So the next you can click on referral and then come over here, copy your referral code and then share with your friends. Okay, the more you bring people into this place, the more you have more points. Okay, so that's what you can do. Now next is on the leaderboard. So here you'll be able to see the number of tags that you have completed so far, and then for now the ranking is not here until once it comes you're going to see your ranking. So now that's all. So now I'm coming over here, click on then your profile, then connect your Discord account as well too. So I'll just do this one, authorize my Discord account, and then that's all I have to do. Okay, so now that's all for this particular airdrop video. So now if you have any question, please do it to ask in the comment section. I will ensure I answer all your questions. If there's any more updates, I will ensure that I bring it to you guys. So ensure you subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that once there's any update, you will always see it there. Okay, so then thank you so much, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.